In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and add custom holidays to your Empower Gantt chart. We are working with version 9.5 of Empower Chart Creation, but the information applies for previous versions as well. Let's start with the basic usage of holidays in Gantt charts. If you wish to display school holidays in your calendar, click on Markers in the action bar and select Holidays. A window will open in which you can select the desired holiday. Clicking on Insert will add the dates of, in this case, the summer holidays and the autumn holidays, because these are the holidays that lie in the range of the Gantt chart, to the project plan and will be highlighted like that. This general holiday calendar that you can find right here will be updated by Empower when we perform an update to a new release version. But additionally, you can add, edit, or delete personalized holiday categories and calendars. A typical usage example would be the admission of the individual vacations of employees. So let's add some custom holidays. Therefore, you firstly click on the pen symbol right here. Now you can simply click on the button New Country. Ability to adapt the folder name, which could be, for example, Team A. Now select the corresponding folder on the left and click on New Calendar. Here you can rename the folder as well. For example, John Doe, as we're going to insert the vacations of this employee. The next step is to click on the folder and on New Entry. Here it is possible to rename the entry once again. For example, Vac John Doe. And choose the time span, which could be, for example, in September. And now click on the button Save. And you can see that this vacation was saved, and you can edit it also later on by this button. Let's go back to our Gantt chart and insert the exemplary holidays that we just created. So we select John Doe and click on Insert. And now you can see that the vacation that we created was inserted into a Gantt chart. It is moreover possible to export holiday calendars. So if you want to export the new entry, click on the corresponding folder in the overview and then on Export. You can choose a location for the file and click on the button Save. The file will be saved in XML format, imported by other users as well. To do so, you can select here. It is moreover possible to delete holiday calendars via this button right here. So I hope this video gave you a quick overview of how you can create and add custom holidays in Empower. Thanks for watching and goodbye.